Eckler in from the left side facing Yu-Min Lin, and his first pitch is taken for a called strike. Whatever, now he's ready. The 0-1, and it is taken for a strike. The outfield left to right, A.J. Vukovic, mentioned left-hander Yu-Min Lin, making his second start of the season versus the River Cats as he deals that pitch low, and it's 1-2. We saw Lin here on May the 1st, and he did not factor into the decision. He gave up 2 runs on 5 hits in 5 innings, 3 strikeouts, no walks. He threw 63 pitches in that outing as that pitch will miss. Coast League last year, which was his AAA debut, is a swing and a fly ball to right. Almora moving to his left, and Almora makes the catch in the bright sun out there for out number 1. Oslevis Basabe in from the right side, and a pitch taken for ball 1. 1 out, bases clear, bottom of the first, and the pitch. And a swing and a ball ripped into left field for a base hit on 1 hop. It's backhanded by Vukovic out there. Oslevis Basabe with a single to left, and the River Cats have their first hit, and they're even with the bag at the edge of the cutout, and the pitch is low, ball 1. The Aces are wearing traveling ups. And the pitch on the way is taken outside. Center fielder Barossa has stepped towards left center, a swing and a foul ball at the plate. Springing to, here's the 2-1, and it is off the inside, I beg your pardon. 3-1. 3-1, and a swing and a tapper, foul first base side. Over 10 starts, a 5.40 ERA as he'll throw to first, and back standing goes Basabe. Lin 1. 3-2 is outside, and there's a walk issued to Grant McCray. Battle in 2022. The pitch is inside, ball 1, but Ellis was drafted. Kicks and delivers in a swing and a bouncer foul over by the third base dugout stairwell. Dramatic one. That one is up and outside, and it's 2-1. River Cats were down center field fence, a 3-run homer that won the ball game. A swing and a fly ball cracked well, but foul slicing down the right field side. 2-2 is strike 3 called, and Ellis will just turn and walk away from home plate. He wanted a challenge there, maybe thinking that pitch was a little bit low this season, batting .219. He does have 12 home runs. The 1-0 is in the dirt, and 2 balls and no. The pitch is outside, and it's 3-0, no strikes. Don't imagine they'll be going here. And a swing and a ground ball through the 5-6 hole and a base hit. Basabe rounds third. He's being waved around. The throw home is not in time, and up to third goes McCray. Into second goes Luciano. That came home, so second and third, and a good spot here for a hot hitter in Hunter Bishop. The 1-0. And a swing and a miss. That was a sinker at 92. Bishop batting. The 1-1 is just a bit wide. Looked pretty close here in the pitch. And Bishop swings and pulls one to first. It's going to be taken along the line by English, who gives an underhand toss to Lin, covering the bag. It's a 3-1 putout that ends the inning. But the River Cats, the first team on. Logan Porter takes ball 1 from Yu-Min Lin of the night for the River Cats, who lead it 1-0. And that pitch is up and away, making it 2-0 to Porter while casting his own shadow out toward right field. And that pitch a strike on the outside to make it. The pitch, a swing and a drive that is to deep left. This is off the foul pole and gone. A line drive that hit the foul pole, and I think it ricocheted into the beer garden, if I'm not mistaken. Whatever it did, and wherever it went, it's a home run for Logan Porter. And he makes it 2-0 River Cats. And for Logan Porter, his 3rd home run of the season. And for Logan Porter, as that pitch is up high, ball 1 to Devin Mann. The 1-0 is taken for a ball. 2 balls. That one up and away. Grant McCray has had success versus Lin. 3-0 is taken for a strike on the outside by Mann. 3-1, and a swing and a broken bat pop-up on the infield. The second baseman Weber trotting in on the dirt makes the catch out in the opposite direction I thought it did, as a swing and a pop-up foul out of play. The 0-1 and a check swing foul ball. The pitch, a swing and a two-hopper to first. It's going to be gloved easily by English, and an easy take to the bag, 3 unassisted to follow the baseball game. The pitch is taken for a strike at the knees in the clubhouse, where the River Cats will be packing to leave town as that's bunted foul. Back of home clubhouse manager Jake Ward also. They all shine on this day. Swinging a ground ball pulled to the right side of the infield. Weber is there at the rim of the outfield grass. He gets it and throws to first to get Meckler, and that ends the inning. 1 run, 1 hit. So here's Oslevis Basabe, and Basabe takes a ball the year. The 1-0 is outside. Light breeze pushing to right field on a spectacular summer night here in Sacramento. It was cooking today. You'd expect that on July 1st. 2-0. There's a strike on the inner third, and now 2-1. There's the 2-1. And a swing and a fly ball, shallow left. Coming in is Vukovic, and Vukovic makes a basket-style catch leaning forward. Vukovic has McRae. We mentioned McRae has taken Lynn deep as there's a called strike. RBIs, leads the team in ribbies, and a swing and a miss, a slider. McRae was way out in front. And the 0-2, and a swing and a liner the other way, and a left field, a base hit. McRae sprays an opposite field single to left. Off to the right of the third baseman, Valdez. There's a swing and a foul back by Ellis. A pitch up and away. 1 ball, 1 strike to Ellis, the pitch. And Drew takes outside, 2 balls and a strike. Journaling during that time as the 2-1 is taken for a strike at the knees. And there's the 2-2, and Ellis takes inside and a full count. 3-2, and a swing and a foul back to the screen. 3-2, down and in, and Ellis walks. So that's the second walk issued by you. That pitch is outside, up stretch in the 1-0, and a breaking ball outside. 2-0 is a strike on the outside, now 2-1. Delivers the 2-1, and a swing and a tapper to the left side. It almost hits the runner McRae. It's fielded by the third baseman Valdez, who then throws to first to get Luciano. Here's the pitch, and it is outside, ball 1. Here's the 1-0, and a breaking ball strike on the inside. It's even at 1-1. 1-1, a swing and a fly ball to left. Vukovic goes back, angled to his left. He's on the warning track. He's at the wall, and it's gone! Back-to-back games with a big fly for Hunter Bishop, and that ball kept on carrying over the left field fence and in front of the ribbon board, and it hit the netting. Hunter Bishop, a 2-out, 3-run homer, and Hunter is hot right now. 5-0 Sacramento. Bishop goes the opposite way. Vukovic followed it all the way back to the wall. So here is Logan Porter, and he takes a strike on the outside. The other one was hit by the guy at the plate. The pitch is in the dirt. 1-1, and a swing and a miss. That pitch down and away makes it 1. 1-2 is strike 3 called. A backdoor breaking ball freezes Porter. And that ends the inning. That is the second strikeout for Yumin Lin, but the River Cats get 3 more. First pitch of Lin rocks into his motion. The pitch and a breaking ball up and away. The pictures, if you're watching on Bally Live or MILB TV, a strike dealt to Mann to make the pitch, and a swing and a liner over the glove of the leaping third baseman Valdez and down to the left field corner. Into second base, Devin Mann, and he's got a leadoff double here in the 4th. And right now the River Cats are figuring out Yumin Lin. They've got 6 hits in 4 innings. And that ball was a rocket off the bat of Mann. Here's Sergio Alcantara, former ace, as that pitch is up and away, ball one. We talked about Alcantara as well. The pitch is fouled back for a time in 23, as that pitch is outside, up and away. In 23 and 24. 2-1. A swing and a fly ball to deep right center field. Barosa's back. He's on the warning track, and Barosa will make the catch on the edge of the warning track. It's about as deep as we've seen Alcantara hit a ball in a long time. Sergio is still looking for that first home run as Zabala pitch, and it's taken for a strike at the knees. There's a swing and a liner off of the leg of Yu-Min Lin, and his only play is going to be to fire it to first as he recovers it. And that'll be a 1-3 putout, an RBI for Meckler. Would have been a hit had he not plunked the pitcher Yu-Min Lin with that line drive that was headed for center field past the shallow infield. But it's 6-0 River Cats. Paul Porter was out there. That pitch is taken low, ball one. The 1-0. And a swing and a liner, fair. That's down the left field line into the corner. Oslevis Basabe has a two-hit night, and he's into second base with a double. Second double of the inning. And for the River Cats, their fourth extra base hit of the night. That pitch way inside on McRae. There's the 1-0. A swing and a sharp ground ball, gloved by a diving English back of the bag. He gets to his feet and then underhands to Lin for a 3-1 putout that ends the inning. A fine play by Tristan English there to save.